Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power outlets or a cigarette lighter are not working. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Both fuses to check will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now to access the fuses you just have to lift up the cover, press onto the black tab on this side and lift it up. On the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Power outlet fuses are fuse number 5, which is a 20 amp fuse located here, and the fuse number 22, which is a 20 amp fuse located here. So you want to check these two fuses. In case these fuses are good and your power outlets are still not working, then you want to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to test to see if the power is coming to the faulty outlet. If it is, then the outlet failed. If it's not, then you'll have to check the wiring. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.